In today's fast-paced business environment, small and mid-sized companies need a reliable and efficient solution to manage their operations. Introducing SAP Business One, a comprehensive business management solution designed specifically for small-medium enterprises. SAP Business One offers a wide range of capabilities to help companies streamline their operations, gain better visibility into their business, and make informed decisions. Let's take a closer look at some of its key features. First and foremost, SAP Business One offers robust inventory management capabilities. With real-time tracking of inventory levels, companies can optimize their stock levels, reduce waste, and ensure timely delivery of products to customers. The software also enables companies to track inventory across multiple locations, manage purchase orders, and automate the procurement process. SAP Business One also offers powerful sales and customer management features. Companies can manage their sales pipeline, track customer interactions, and create targeted marketing campaigns. The software also allows companies to analyze customer data to identify trends and opportunities for growth. In addition, SAP Business One provides robust financial management capabilities. Companies can manage their general ledger, accounts payable and receivable, and banking transactions. The software also offers advanced reporting features, enabling companies to generate financial reports and analyze their financial data in real time. For companies involved in manufacturing, SAP Business One offers advanced production management features. Companies can manage their bills of materials, track production orders, and monitor work in progress. The software also offers quality control features to ensure that manufactured products meet the highest standards. Finally, SAP Business One offers powerful analytics and reporting features. With real-time access to critical business data, companies can make informed decisions and quickly respond to changing market conditions. The software also offers customizable dashboards, enabling companies to monitor their KPIs and track their performance against their goals. In conclusion, SAP Business One offers a comprehensive business management solution for SMEs. With its robust features and capabilities, companies can streamline their operations, gain better visibility into their business, and make informed decisions. Try SAP Business One today and take your business to the next level.